Hi, this is Alex, and in this video you'll learn about the Mega Backdoor Roth Conversion option allowed within your Intel 401k plan starting in January 2020. You can find a lot more information about your Intel benefits in future blog posts that we'll publish to our website, so please visit and subscribe to our newsletter here. Now we want to talk about this because it is one of the most amazing benefits available in 401k plans, but we also find it to be one of the most underutilized benefits. The Intel Backdoor Roth Conversion is officially known as the 401k after-tax Roth Conversion. Either way, it's a mouthful. In the future on this channel, we'll be covering some of the other benefits that you may be eligible for as an Intel employee, so please click and subscribe. These benefits include insurance, stock grants, deferred compensation for those who are eligible, and the Intel 401k plan, specifically brokerage link. And now what we consider to be the golden egg of them all, the Mega Backdoor Roth Conversion. Now you probably already know that if you're under 50 years old, you can contribute $19,000 to your 401k. And if you're 50 or over, you can contribute an extra $6,000 or $25,000 total. Now as an Intel employee, Intel is going to match the first 5% of your salary that you contribute to the 401k, starting with a 2-to-1 match in 2020 and then a 1-to-1 match thereafter. So say you make $150,000 and you max out your 401k at $19,000. Intel is going to put in another $7,500, so $26,500 total. What you might not know though is that the federal limit in 2019 for total dollars going into a 401k is $56,000 if you're under 50 or $62,000 if you're 50 or over. This means that there's a difference of $29,500 between what you and Intel potentially put in and that federal limit. Within the 401k at Intel starting in 2020, Intel is going to allow you to fill that gap of $29,500 as an after-tax contribution. And then here's the coolest part, convert it into Roth dollars. So let's think about this. I, as a non-Intel employee, can only contribute $6,000 into a Roth each year, above and beyond the typical 401k contribution. And then there are income restrictions. As an Intel employee though, regardless of how much money you're making, you can contribute almost 4.5 times as much as an employee at another company who doesn't have this benefit. Why is this important? If you're saving money outside of your 401k, it's probably going to be in a brokerage account. And when we think of brokerage accounts, we typically think of individual accounts, a joint account, a community property account. Well, within these types of accounts, you're going to have interest income, dividends, capital gains, all of which kick off some pretty substantial taxes on an annual basis. And if we look at this year in and year out, with those taxes compounded on one another, you're really losing it quite a bit there. Whereas with a Roth, the same interest, dividends, and capital gains all grow tax-free. So if you do this every year, all of a sudden you've got a really nice nest egg built up of tax-free dollars in your portfolio, which then down the road just gives you a ton of flexibility to manage distributions in retirement. If you plan this correctly, you can save even more from a tax standpoint in retirement. If you want to learn even more about how to leverage your Mega Backdoor Roth Conversion, along with all of your other Intel benefits, feel free to give me a call or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. All my contact information is down below. Thank you.